Fellow gardeners, we're moving to the second stage of ferns, and so join us again. Go for it.
Yeah, for our hanging ferns, something that will grow downwards, or
Yes.
you can also trail it.
Yes.
Yeah, that's asparagus fern,
Yes.
and this one we usually call it soft fern.
Soft fern.
Yeah.
I love the leaves.
You
So
see the
crinkly.
foliage. Now we are going to do the soft fern.
Okay.
We are going to
Perfect.
propagate soft fern.
Okay. I want to
Yes.
see how you do that.
We have it here in a bag. This one doesn't have spores, so you have to do the division. When you are propagating, you have to divide it.
Okay.
Yes.
So again, open it.
Now we can open it. Also, the roots for this one doesn't go that deep.
Ah, it's quite shallow.
Yeah, it's very shallow. It's not like this one. You just find it
At the top.
At the top.
Oh, I see what you mean.
You see how it's going? There is
Yeah.
no roots at the bottom.
So does it twirl around?
It just roll around.
Ah.
It usually grows like going downwards.
Mhm.
It can grow like 4 inches, 5
Okay.
inches, but not more than that.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one can also grow. You see, like those stones.
Oh, yeah.
Where we have those stones.
Ah, where you can put it between the stones.
Yeah, in the stones. Yeah.
Yes.
It will do very well. Now you can see the babies.
They're the babies.
Also, it does not have tubers.
It doesn't have tubers. Look at the
Yes.
babies. Oh, there's so many. So they're
There are
all
so many.
in there.
Yeah, yeah. So you see how it grows.
And around.
It grows around.
Interesting.
Yeah.
And if I was to divide my fern, this type, would it, if I have these babies, do they grow very fast if I propagate them?
The babies.
Yeah, through division.
Yeah, and you have to give it a good space. That is, if you want it to trail nicely. You
Yes.
see, like this one, it was in a small bag.
Yes.
That's why it's squeezing
Yes. So
inside
if you put
the
it
bag.
in a big
so
bag.
if you put it in a big bag, the better.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can see all these are babies. This one
Oh
is
my
very
gosh.
easy to separate, because you can also see the mother, the big babies.
Yes.
You see now,
Oh, so you can plant it one by one.
one
like
by
that.
one. Yeah,
Oh, that's so easy.
it's so easy.
Oh, ferns. I'm going to get lots of ferns. So you just pull it apart.
At least for this one, yeah, you just pull it apart that way.
Oh my gosh.
You know,
Let me
this
put this one here.
is the
Another
mother
baby.
plant.
Yes. This is the mother plant here.
Yes.
You can see she's got
See,
all
at
that.
least she has given us like almost 4 or 5 babies.
There you are. Propagation is great. You
It's
get
great.
additional stock. Look
Yes.
at that.
Yes.
Amazing. And that's 1. That's 2. We have another one
3.
here. 3.
4.
4 plants out of 1 plant. And
Yes.
that is really good.
That's
I
good.
love that. Yeah.
So let's plant it. Put our pumice.
Yes.
The best thing about pumice, it has
Yes.
all the nutrients
Yes.
a plant require.
Yes.
Also, it's very good for aeration.
Yes.
Number 3, it stores water. If you water the
Ah.
plant, it will store the water, because
Inside
it
all
usually
this-
sucks the water
Yeah.
in.
In
That's why
here.
you've seen it like it's already kind of wet.
Yes.
You see? So it's very hard for the plants to die.
So it just takes the water
The
and
water
it stores
and
it
it
inside
stores inside.
here.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Number 4,
Yes.
it's best for when it comes to the stains
Yes. On the pots.
on the pot, under the pot also. You know, you can put you can plant anything. Then
Yes.
you put your pot
on the ground.
on the not necessarily on the ground. You put it somewhere that you have put some like tiles.
Yes. Yes.
So the tiles usually get stained. But if you put
Ah.
this one, it will filter.
Ah, so it just filters the
So
red
the
soil.
water which will be coming out will be clean water.
water. Okay. I
So
get
you never see that stain.
that round
Those round
circle
stains,
from
yeah,
the
yeah.
pot.
Yes.
So this is like a filtering.
It's it can also be used as
Oh,
filter.
fantastic! I like that
Yes.
idea.
Then we put our compost.
Lovely. And that's your potting soil.
That's our potting soil
Lovely.
and
Our
chicken
chicken.
manure.
Lovely.
Then we mix it.
And the chicken manure you said had a lot of nitrogen in it.
Nitrogen, phosphorus,
Yeah.
calcium.
It's like NPK.
It's like NPK.
Amazing.
Then
Okay.
let's plant. I'd like to plant 2.
Yeah.
2 will be enough
Because
for this
then you can
because
get,
the
yeah.
container is not that big.
No, I think so.
Yes.
And when it does grow and those 2,
Because
you're
all
going
these,
to,
you see all these
Those
are
are
other
babies.
babies.
yeah,
Yeah. This one you have to put them inside.
yeah.
Yeah.
Should
Make
I hold
sure
it
they are
for you while
inside.
you?
Yeah.
Let me hold it here, and then you put.
Then we put our compost.
So once you grow it into this pot,
Yeah.
as it starts filling out, because we want the hanging, we'll just move it into a bigger pot.
Yes.
And do that until we get to the size as the one
Yes.
above.
Yes. It
Fantastic.
also depends with your space.
Yes.
Because you can have small space. You can
Yeah.
also use this one. And because our potting soil has everything,
Yes.
it will grow big.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. The foliage will
Here.
it will have lots of foliage.
Oh, look at her. So
Yes.
sweet. I love it. Now tell me, so basically like what you said in the beginning, is ferns don't like direct sun.
They
They
don't.
like sort of a little bit of morning sun, but then basically they like to be in
Yes.
shade.
Yeah.
So if I had this in my kitchen, which is quite bright but not direct sun, it will survive.
It will.
Yeah, okay.
It will survive.
And how often for a pot like this, how often do I have to water it? Is it once a week because of the pumice, which will store?
Yeah.
Or do I do it more
Twice.
regular?
Twice
a
a
week.
week. Yes.
Okay,
Twice a week will be best.
okay.
Yeah.
And then like now, as we're going into the cold season, I just do it once a week.
You can do it once a week
Once a
because
week, because-
we are heading to cold season.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect, lovely. Mm. So we have fern number 3.
That's fun number
Yeah.
3. So this one is for trailing ferns,
Yeah,
the falling ferns.
yeah.
Yeah.
And all of
For all falling ferns, trailing ferns, like
the
asparagus, you just separate that way.
Okay.
For
And
the
does-
asparagus,
yeah.
also we have seeds.
Oh yeah, I've seen them. They
Some
look like
small
those
seeds.
ones. They're green, but then they go
Yeah,
red.
yeah.
And then the beautiful thing about, I think, with asparagus fern, it flowers white, doesn't it?
Yeah,
You
it
get
has
white.
kind of white flowers.
Yes.
Before it gives you those berries, you
Yes.
see those white flowers.
And the berries actually look nice when
Also,
it just adds to the color.
Yes.
So with the asparagus fern, if I separate it, I will get this sort of look, this
yes.
thing.
Yes.
And so all I do is divide it.
you divide
and
it,
then plant
Yes.
like the same way you've showed us.
and it also has those tubers.
Oh yes,
Asparagus
of
have
course.
those the
I've
tube,
seen that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
very big tubers.
Yes.
So it stores water also.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, that's good to know. Yeah. And asparagus, can you put it in full sun, or it still likes the shadow?
No, it also needs
Indirect.
indirect sun.
Okay.
Yes.
Lovely.
You see the berries are full of water.
Yeah. Look at that.
See now
Yeah.
all that water.
And that's what it'll feed
That's
on.
storage. Yeah.
Yeah.
It will feed on that.
Can you divide using just the stem?
No, not at all. You have to divide it.
Okay.
Either you divide it
Yes.
or you use those berries.
Oh, the berries.
Yes.
And how long will the berries take?
At least 21 days. That's
Okay.
3 weeks.
Okay, so
And they will start germinating.
you get the green berry, then it goes red and it dries.
It has to be red because at green, that's still a juvenile stage.
Yes,
It has not yet cured. You have to take
the red one.
The red one.
Does it have to dry?
No,
Oh,
not at
so
all.
you just squeeze it and the seeds are in there?
You just press the seed and it will grow.
Oh, so you just
don't-
take the red berries and you plant it like that?
Yes.
Interesting.
Yes.
Okay, wow, this is really amazing. And so with these 2 ferns, again, the same method.
Same method.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you, Michael, once again. So now we know how to propagate ferns, and do try it, because in the end, as we saw with this particular one, we ended up getting 4 babies, which is amazing. And you can just keep replicating. So thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel. Also press that notification button. Introduce us to all your friends and family, means a lot to us. We're on the Instagram, Facebook, we're on DM me, and I always do answer. Do send me your comments on YouTube. So happy gardening, and do get yourself some ferns. And with Michael, we'll put his contact on the screen. So all the people in Nairobi, you can come and get yourself a fern. Thank you so much. Thank you, Michael.
Asante sana.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah.